In this video, we will talk about how to optimize your website for speed and performance, so make sure to watch the full video. Website speed and performance are critical factors that directly influence user experience, search engine rankings, and overall success. A slow loading site can frustrate visitors, leading to increased bounce rates and decreased conversions. In today's fast-paced digital environment, users expect websites to load quickly and function seamlessly across devices. This guide will explore essential strategies for optimizing your website's speed and performance. From measuring current performance and choosing the right hosting provider to implementing caching, minimizing HTTP requests, and using a content delivery network, CDN, you'll learn effective techniques to enhance your site's efficiency, ensuring a faster and more engaging experience for your users. 1. Introduction to Website Speed Optimization. Website speed optimization is crucial for enhancing user experience and improving search engine rankings. In this section, we will explore the significance of fast-loading websites and the impact of speed on user engagement, conversion rates, and overall site performance. We'll discuss the relationship between loading times and user satisfaction, emphasizing how even small improvements can lead to significant benefits. By understanding the importance of optimization, you'll be better equipped to implement effective strategies that ensure your website performs at its best. 2. Measuring your website's current performance. Before you can optimize your website, it's essential to assess its current performance. This section will guide you through various tools and metrics to measure your website's speed, such as Google Page Speed Insights, GTmetrix, and Web Page Test. We will discuss key performance indicators, KPIs, like time to first byte, TTFB, fully loaded time, and overall user experience scores. By understanding where your site currently stands, you can identify specific areas that require improvement and set benchmarks for tracking your progress over time. 3. Choosing the right hosting provider. The foundation of a fast website often lies in the hosting provider you choose. This section will explore the different types of hosting options available, including shared, VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting. We will discuss how each option impacts speed and performance, considering factors such as server location, uptime, and resource allocation. Additionally, we'll highlight the importance of selecting a hosting provider that offers optimized servers and scalable solutions, ensuring that your website can handle traffic spikes and deliver optimal performance consistently. 4. Minimizing HTTP requests for faster load times. Each element on a web page, such as images, scripts, and style sheets, requires an HTTP request, which can slow down load times. In this section, we will discuss strategies to minimize these requests by combining files, utilizing CSS sprites for images, and eliminating unnecessary plugins. We'll cover how to streamline your code and reduce the number of external resources while maintaining functionality and aesthetics. By optimizing HTTP requests, you can significantly improve your website's load speed, resulting in a better user experience. 5. Optimizing images for web use. Large image files can dramatically slow down your website, so optimizing images is a critical step in speed enhancement. This section will cover various techniques for reducing image size without sacrificing quality, including using appropriate file formats, JPEG, PNG, and WebP, compressing images, and leveraging responsive design for different screen sizes. We will also discuss the importance of using image optimization tools and plugins that can automate the process, ensuring that your images load quickly and enhance the overall performance of your site. 6. Leveraging browser caching for enhanced performance. Browser caching allows web browsers to store frequently accessed resources locally, reducing the need for repeated downloads and speeding up load times. In this section, we will explain how to set up caching by adjusting server settings and implementing cache control headers. We'll discuss different caching strategies, including expiration dates for static resources and how to leverage tools like Google's Page Speed Insights to analyze caching effectiveness. By effectively implementing browser caching, you can provide users with a faster experience on subsequent visits. 7. Minifying CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files. Minification involves removing unnecessary characters, comments, and whitespace from code files to reduce their size, leading to faster loading times. In this section, we will discuss tools and techniques for minifying CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, including using build tools like Webpack, Gulp, or online minification tools. We will explain how minifying your files not only speeds up loading times but also reduces bandwidth usage, ultimately enhancing the overall performance of your website while maintaining the functionality of your code. 8. Implementing a content delivery network, CDN. A content delivery network, CDN, is a network of servers distributed globally that helps deliver website content to users based on their geographical location. This section will explain how a CDN can significantly reduce latency and improve loading times by caching static content closer to users. We will discuss the benefits of using a CDN, including improved site speed, better security, and increased reliability during traffic spikes. Additionally, we'll provide guidance on choosing a suitable CDN provider and integrating it with your website for optimal performance. 9. Using asynchronous loading for resources. Asynchronous loading allows scripts and resources to load independently of the main content, preventing them from blocking the rendering of the page. In this section, we will explore how to implement asynchronous loading for CSS and JavaScript files, utilizing attributes like async and defer. We will discuss the advantages of this approach, including improved perceived load times and better overall performance. By managing how resources are loaded, you can create a smoother experience for users while enhancing the speed of your website. 10. Monitoring and maintaining your website's performance. Optimizing your website for speed is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and maintenance. In this section, we will discuss the importance of using performance monitoring tools to track your website's speed and user experience continuously. We will explore how to analyze data to identify new areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. Additionally, we'll cover best practices for routine maintenance, such as updating plugins, optimizing databases, and regularly reviewing performance metrics, ensuring your website remains fast and efficient over time. In conclusion, optimizing your website for speed and performance is essential for providing a superior user experience and boosting your online visibility. By implementing strategies such as measuring your current performance, choosing the right hosting provider, minimizing HTTP requests, optimizing images, and leveraging browser caching, you can significantly enhance your site's efficiency. Additionally, utilizing techniques like minifying code, using a content delivery network, CDN, and employing asynchronous loading will further improve loading times. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial for ensuring continued performance improvements. By prioritizing speed optimization, you'll create a faster, more reliable website that meets user expectations and drives engagement. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel.